Enrolling in Superior University's LLM program was a pivotal moment in my legal career. The program's unique blend of theoretical knowledge and practical exposure set the stage for my success in the legal field. Through practical exposure during my studies and hands-on training, I gained invaluable insights of intricacy of law and developed the ethical foundation necessary for navigating complex legal issues. One of the greatest benefits of Superior University's LLM program is its ability to facilitate easy job placement in renowned law firms and multidisciplinary approach to handling difficult tasks in professional life will prepare you to excel in diverse roles, whether as a practicing lawyer, judiciary, or in legal branches of different departments. Take the next step towards achieving your career goals. Enroll now at Superior University and embrace a superior lifestyle awaits you.